a home filter made portable? That is correct. We developed the world's best portable water filtration system known as PureFlow 15 that delivers clean, fresh drinking water anytime, anywhere. This compact, lightweight system requires no electricity, no installation, and takes only 2 minutes to set up. Say goodbye to packing bottles of water for your next trip. This filter is best for travel and home use and can filtrate up to 6,000 liters of water. Are you concerned about servicing? Don't stress. This is a self-servicing unit where we teach you and supply the necessary units where you can service it yourself. Hi, I am Andre from Purify on the Go, where we create innovative and next generation filtration systems.